All right, Rocks, you ready? Okay, let's go. Find bird. Here. Okay, Rocks. Rocks, here. Up, go. The holes over here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, whoa. Ah, 2 shots. Yep. Here, Rocks. Come on, Rocks. Dead bird. Dead bird, come on. Come on, Rocks. Dead bird. Dead bird. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Huh? Come on. Come here. Here, Rocks. Where are you? Come here. Here, Rocks. Come here, dead bird. Here. No, Rocks. Roxy, here. Here. Dead bird. Come on, Rocks. Rocks. Dead. Come on. Dead bird. Here, Rocks. Rocks. Dead bird. Come on. Roxy. Dead. Here. Here. Come on, Rocks. Rocks. Come on, girl. Good girl. Good girl. Here. Here. Good girl. Good girl. Come here. Come on. Come on. Here. Come on. Come on, Rocks. Here. Here. Come on. Roxy. Go play. Here. Good girl. Play with me. Where's the bird, Rox? Right here? Okay, here it goes. No, Rox, no! No, Rox, no! Ah, fuck. Got my thumb on the lanyard. Dead bird, Rox, dead bird! Dead bird! Here! Roxy, this way! Rox! Here! Good girl, here! Here, Rox! Good girl! Good girl, here! Good, come on, here, come on! Come on, girl, come on! Come on, here, Rox, here! Roxy, come here! Come here, Rox, here! Rox! Come here! Come on, good dog! Come on, here, Rox! Come on! Oh! Alright. Alright, go find bird. Okay. Where's the bird, Rox? Where's the bird? Find bird. Find bird. No bird. Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Find bird. Nope. Rox, here. Here. Here.
2 birds in the bag.
Yep.
That's 40. 2 birds pointed. That's 20. 2 full retrieved. That's 20. You fired 4, so you got 4 unfired shells. That's 40 for a total of 120.
Oh. Bad for a first time.
What breed is she?
The German wire here. Come on, Rox. Stay out of the mud. Come on, Rox. Good girl. Come on. What? Come on. Heel, Rox. Get some water. She's about 18 months. Yeah.
Double check the figure and sign off on it if you find anything wrong.
No. There we go.
All right, John.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.